Hi guys, we received these two modern pendant lights for various purposes. They come very well protected and they are really nice. These are the instructions, so let's take everything out of the boxes. You'll get some cloth and a pair of gloves to work, which is really nice. In here we've got the light bulb. Okay, as you can see, it's of a LED filament. These are really nice. Okay. See the glass part, okay. It's really nice. This is the base that goes onto the ceiling. It's a matte finish. Okay. Another part of the light fixture. Some tools to assemble everything. To install it on the electrical cord. And in here got the main unit. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it looks really nice. So let's go ahead and start assembling everything and get it ready. I'm gonna place them in here. They're both the same, so let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, they've all already installed. They look really nice. I like a lot the combination with the matte finish and the crystal clear glass. It looks really nice. It keeps a very, well, kind of like a vintage modern style. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really nice. I like it a lot. As you've seen, they were really easy to install. It didn't take that much long, just some basic wiring and stuff, and I will really like them and I will recommend them. See ya!
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.